Good morning, dear students. Let's move on to the next topic under document maintenance in pharmaceutical industry today. The documentation which we are going to discuss today is quality audit. What we are going to discuss about quality audit. What is quality audit? It is the process of systematic examination of a quality system, and it is carried out by an internal or external quality auditor or an audit team. It is an important part of an organization's quality management system, QMS. It is a key element in the ISO quality system standard ISO 9001. It is a key element in ISO quality system standard ISO 9001. So this is about quality audit. Let's move on to the overview of typical audit activities. They are initiating the audit, conducting document review, preparing for on-site audit activities, conducting on-site audit activities, preparing, approving and distributing the audit report, completing the audit, conducting the audit follow-up, principles of auditing, ethical conduct, fair presentation, due professional care, independence and evidence-based approach. These are all the typical audit activities followed as per good manufacturing practices in pharmaceutical industries. What are the goals of GMP auditing? Goals of GMP auditing. They are to determine whether quality assurance, production activities and systems comply with good manufacturing practices, regulatory agency requirements and site requirements. It determines whether quality assurance, production activities and systems comply with the GMP, regulatory agency requirements and site requirements. The second goal is to facilitate early detection of problems. To facilitate early detection of problems. Third one, it is to help to determine the depth of the identified problem in the area as well as across the company. It is helping to determine the depth of the identified problem in the area as well as across the company. Fourth goal of auditing is to investigate and determine the root cause of the problem or deficiency. To investigate and determine the root cause of the problem or deficiency. These are all the goals of GMP auditing. Let's see about types of quality audit now. There are 10 number of quality audits. Let's see one by one. First one is internal quality system audit. Internal quality system audit. It is nothing but an examination of the tool used to measure quality itself. An internal quality audit seeks to evaluate an organization's electronic quality management system, EQMS. The second type is supplier audit. What is supplier audit? It allows an organization to collaborate in real time directly with its suppliers. And the third one is production team audit. Production team audit. Here auditors evaluate changes to processes, evidence of training, past activity for escapes, non-conformance and conformity inspections of operator accepted product as part of the requalification. And the fourth audit is safety audit. It looks at the plans and procedures designed to protect the safety of company employees. And the fifth one is facilities audit. A facilities audit addresses quality concerns of a corporation's assets. And the sixth one is environmental audit. It is conducted to ensure employees are adhering to regulatory standards and using appropriate personal protective equipment. The seventh audit is risk assessment audit. A risk assessment is a process that identifies potential workplace hazards, then characterizes each risk so preventative measures can be put into place. And the eighth one is design control audit. They are conducted within highly regulated industries to ensure that manufacturers follow a formalized process that results in an end product that meets acceptable quality and safety standards and adequately serves user needs. The ninth one is regulatory audit. Regulatory audits are conducted to verify compliance with a specific set of regulations or standards. And the 10th one is method validation audit. It is used by the FDA or other regulatory authorities to ensure that the analytical test methods used in the manufacturing process are standardized, reproducible, and documented. After seeing the different types of quality audits in industries, let's move on to a checklist of quality audit. A checklist has documentation work, QA/QC issues, SOP manuals, building and facilities, failure investigation, process validation program, master records, production and in-process controls, packaging and labeling of active pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediates, equipment processing, storage and distribution, material management, and housekeeping facilities. These are all the parameters one could find in the checklist of a quality audit. So with the discussion on quality audit and document maintenance in pharmaceutical industry, we are coming to the end of today's discussion. In the next class, we will be discussing with the new documentation process. Thank you all for patient listening.